All right, we are simplifying weight loss with math. The great thing about weight loss is that it is science in math. If you follow the process properly, you are essentially guaranteed results. Energy plus inactivity, energy being food, equals weight gain. Energy plus activity equals weight maintenance. Activity minus energy, so less food, equals weight loss. That is the math and the science. We know this to be true. This is calories in versus calories out. But with that equation comes other variables that are unique person to person. So some of the variables being sex, body weight, muscle mass, fat mass, age, macro and micronutrients, so just the foods that you consume and the nutrients that you get from them, sleep, and activity level. All of these are variables within that equation of weight loss that can affect your ability to lose weight. So here's the thing. Variables cancel each other out. At least I think they do. Maybe not in real math, but they do for our purposes. If a variable is kept consistent, if it's on both sides of the equation, who cares? You don't need to worry about it. At least in our purposes. I wasn't that good at math, I'll be honest. But anyway, so if we keep the variables as consistent as possible, all of those, if those don't change, then the equation will have the same outcome. So what we need to do is just change one variable to get a new outcome. So my variables personally, I am a male. That's not going to change whether I go on a weight loss journey or not. I am about 155 pounds. So that will change, and we'll get to that. That will change fairly slowly. Same with muscle and fat mass. My age, I am going to be 25 for 6 more months. And even when I turn 26, my metabolism doesn't just magically change all of a sudden. And we've come to know that age doesn't have as great of an effect on metabolism that we thought it did. Nutrition, if the foods that I consume are staying the same, then that variable won't really matter so much. If my sleep stays consistent, then that variable won't matter, and same with the activity level. So what we need to do is just choose one variable to change. And I think nutrition, activity, and or sleep are the best 3 to choose. They are the most changeable. Like I said, harder to change your gender. Age doesn't really matter. And muscle and fat, well, you have to change one of these to change muscle and fat. So there you go. Nutrition, activity, and or sleep. If sleep is poor, then I think you should focus on that first, because bad sleep is going to make everything else harder. But once you choose your variable, there is now a new equation. The new equation is consistent action plus patience, and that will lead to results because this is science and it's math. So long as everything remains consistent, you will see results. If you choose to change nutrition and you keep all of those other variables the same, then you will get results. If everything stays the same, but you decide to change activity level, then you will see results. You just have to change it in the right direction. So here's the thing though, when you do see results, you now have new variables, which is what I mentioned before. So once you see results from your body weight changing, well, now your metabolism is different. And sorry, I don't know why that is there. Go away. Your body weight is different. If your muscle mass changes while you lose weight, that's going to affect your metabolism differently. Same with your fat mass. So once you do see results, there are new variables, and now you will potentially plateau. If that happens, you will need to reassess and readjust the new variables to continue along the gain train and see more results. All right. If you have any questions, let me know.